channel. I am so excited for these upcoming vlogs. I'm gonna be vlogging like Christmas and our weekend and what we're doing. So right now it's 5:30 Friday night and we are packing up. Well, I'm starting to pack up and get ready. Well, finish. Riley's coming back from work. We're going to just eat a little bit and then we're gonna head out and go to Boise. And we're gonna stay the night in Boise at my mom's house, get a couple of last minute things, and then head up to McCall with my whole family. So everyone's already up there, but it's just too late. Riley didn't get off till 5:30. It's too late to drive a 5.5 hour drive because the earliest we'll leave is 6 o'clock, like if everything goes well. So I probably should stop blabbering. But that's the earliest we can leave. So we wouldn't get there until 11:30, like at the earliest, midnight. Plus Riley needs to stop in Boise and get something. You told me that today. And also I'd rather stop and be there at like 9 o'clock, go to sleep and like have the night and then wake up at 7 or 8 and go then do the whole thing tonight. So I have to start packing and get ready. My sister and I have a ton of ideas for videos that we're gonna film and like getting our ASMR channel started. So I'm really excited for that. I'll show you guys like the behind the scenes and everything. And it's just gonna be a lot of fun. I think it's gonna be super cool and really fun to capture this and like see all the vlogs. So I hope I can do good vlogging like today and tomorrow. I know as we do stuff, we'll go and like I'll vlog better, but the traveling is always hard because I feel like it's boring. But I need to go. Holy cow, I need to throw all these boxes away. Anyways, I need to go so I can start packing and getting everything ready, but I just wanted to start the vlog off. Taking Duke Potty outside before we get onto the road. It's like 6:30, so I knew we weren't gonna leave by 6, but at least we're ready. It's 6:30 and we are gonna go. We have about a 3.5 hour drive, so we'll get there around 10. And I totally didn't prepare for this trip, so we have hardly any, I know you can hardly see me, but we hardly have any laundry because I just had no time to prepare for this. So we're gonna make do, but I just thought it was funny. So we're gonna go get on the road and I will see you guys either when we stop or when we get there. Dukers, hi handsome. Okay, it's the next morning. We made it to my mom's house. We slept there. We got everything ready. They forgot a handful of things, so we kind of went around the house and found everything. Now we're getting gas, and I forgot hair ties. I don't have any on my wrist, none in my bag, nothing. So I have to stop and get it because that's something that annoys me so easily, is if my hair is a little bit dirty or isn't styled and I don't have a hair tie to put it up if I need to. Oh, it annoys me so much, and I don't have my makeup done. So I had that. I'm eating a gummy bear because my throat hurts so bad and I don't know why, but I feel like that helps. It's so cold. I had my little tumbler with ice in it, and the ice got so frozen that my straw won't go all the way down because it's like frozen in a block. So Riley's getting gas, and then I'm gonna run into probably Walgreens and just go get some hair ties. And maybe something else, just in case. I don't know. I can't think of anything like necessities that we left, but then we have another 2.5 hour drive up to McCall, and we're gonna go see my family. So that's the plan.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
We're in the Christmas house now in McCall, and there's just Christmas stuff everywhere. And he's grumpy, but that's okay.
on unicorn about really hard.
The dogs are gonna die. They're gonna taste that so funny. That's awesome.
Pretty hard. That's for sure not good.
Dude, I look. You got organized out. Okay. Really wish I didn't look so bad in the start of all of these clips, but we are now driving back home. Sadly, our vacation was only a day and a half, basically like 1 day, 24 hours, but it was a lot of fun for that day. We just have to get back. Riley has work on the 24th. Boo, I know that sucks. And so we have to go back. So we're gonna drive to Boise right now, and I think we're gonna stop and eat there. We might end up staying the night, depending on how like we feel. It's 3:30 already. We'll get there around 5:30ish. We'll have dinner and we'll just see how we feel. If we want to keep like going in the car, we'll go home tonight. If we don't, then we'll stay back at my mom's house. Which I kind of almost don't want to do, because when we were there for like 12 hours, less than that, like probably 8, Duke peed on a blanket, he peed on the comforter on our bed, and then a sheet on the bed. I don't know what was going on. He had peed 3 times already, like outside. I don't know what happened, but we basically got up to McCall like 2 hours later than we expected, because I was doing so much laundry getting all of the blankets washed. So I kind of don't want to stay there, just because we don't have the ability to do that again tomorrow. Like when we leave, we have to leave because he has to get back to work. So depending on how we feel, this road is pretty windy, and I get car sick pretty bad. I always have. So if this part's okay, the second leg will be a breeze. So we'll just have to see. It'll be dark, so hopefully no storms are coming through, which is something we'll have to look at too, because around 5 o'clock it gets dark. So anyways, I got as many clips as I could at the cabin. We did a white elephant, we opened up our presents, and they opened up the presents we got them, and it was a lot of fun, but we were more so just like in the moment with people. Plus, both my brothers got food poisoning yesterday, and so they were so sick all night and this morning, so that was kind of unfortunate. But anyways, we're driving home, and we're just gonna see how the rest of our Christmas goes.